Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about our study abroad experiences. I would love to share some memories and talk about the challenges and lessons I learned. Did you study abroad as well?
Yes, I did. I studied abroad for 1 year in Canada. It was a very exciting and challenging time for me.
That sounds wonderful. I spent a semester in Australia. It was a new and different world. I learned many things, not only from my studies, but also from everyday life.
I agree. Living in another country is a big adventure. In Canada, I met many people from different cultures. It made me see the world in a new way.
In Australia, I had the chance to travel and explore the country. I visited famous landmarks, beautiful beaches, and even the outback. Every trip taught me something new about the local culture.
That is amazing. I had similar experiences. I visited many cities and I tried local food. Sometimes I felt a little lonely because I missed my family, but I also made many new friends.
I understand. Being away from home is not easy at first. I missed my family a lot during my first few weeks, but I learned to call them often and share my daily life.
Yes, staying in touch with family is important. I also learned to make new friends quickly. I joined some clubs at my university, and that helped me meet people.
I joined a student club for international students. It was a great place to share experiences and get advice. We talked about our challenges and helped each other with small problems.
That sounds very helpful. I joined a language exchange club and I practiced English with local students. It helped me improve my language skills and understand the culture better.
Language exchange is very useful. I also took some extra language classes. At first, it was very hard to understand the local accent, but over time, I got better.
I had the same challenge. Listening to lectures and talking with classmates was difficult at the beginning, but practicing every day made a big difference.
Yes, practice is the key. I remember one time I could not understand a professor in a lecture. I felt very embarrassed, but later I asked for help, and my classmates explained the topic to me.
That is a good lesson. Asking for help is important. I learned that no one is perfect, and it is okay to ask questions if you do not understand something.
I agree. I also learned to be patient with myself. Living in a new country and studying in a new language took time. I had many small victories, like understanding a difficult text or making a good presentation.
Every small success is important. I felt proud when I improved my grades. I also enjoyed the freedom of studying abroad. I could choose my own schedule and explore my interests more deeply.
That freedom was wonderful. I had more time to travel on weekends and learn about different cultures. I visited museums, art galleries, and historical sites.
I visited a few museums too. I learned a lot about Canadian history and art. I also enjoyed local festivals. They were very colorful and fun.
Festivals are one of my favorite parts of studying abroad. At one festival, I saw traditional dances and music. I even tried some local food that I had never tasted before.
Trying new food is always exciting. I remember eating a traditional dish called poutine. It was very different from the food at home, but I liked it.
I tried a similar dish in Australia. It was a mix of meat and vegetables with a special sauce. It made me appreciate the local cuisine even more.
Do you remember any funny or unexpected moments during your study abroad?
Yes, I do. One day, I went to a local market and I accidentally ordered food in a language I did not understand. It was very funny because the vendor laughed and helped me. I learned to smile and not be afraid of making mistakes.
I had a similar experience. In a cafe, I ordered a coffee and said thank you in the wrong way. The barista kindly corrected me, and I felt embarrassed at first, but then I laughed.
Those moments are important. They teach us to be more comfortable with ourselves.
I agree. Study abroad helped me become more confident. I learned to speak up, ask for help, and try new things without fear.
It was a time of personal growth for me too. I learned that challenges are just opportunities to learn. Even when things did not go as planned, I learned to adjust and keep going.
I think the most important lesson is that we become stronger and more independent. We learn to solve problems and manage our time.
Yes, and we also learn to appreciate different cultures. I met many people from different backgrounds, and I learned a lot about their traditions and ways of life.
That is true. I became more open-minded and understanding. I realized that everyone has a unique story, and that learning about others can enrich our own life.
I would recommend studying abroad to anyone who wants to grow and learn about the world. It is not always easy, but the experience is priceless.
I agree. Even if you face challenges, the lessons you learn and the friends you make last a lifetime.
Speaking of friends, I made many great friends during my time abroad. We still keep in touch and share our experiences even after returning home.
I feel the same. I still talk to my friends from Canada. We share updates about our lives, and sometimes we even plan to meet again for another trip or study program.
That is wonderful. It shows that the experience of studying abroad builds long-lasting connections.
Yes, it does. I think I will always remember my time abroad with gratitude and fondness.
Me too, Daniel. I learned so much about myself and the world during that time. I have grown in many ways, and I feel more prepared for the future.
Our experiences make us who we are. I feel that study abroad helped me become more resilient and adaptable.
Absolutely. I hope to travel and study abroad again in the future. There is still so much to learn and see.
I share that hope. I believe that every new experience is a chance to improve and to see life from a new perspective.
Thank you for sharing your memories, Daniel. It is very nice to talk with someone who understands the challenges and rewards of studying abroad.
Thank you, Emily. I enjoyed our conversation very much. It reminds me of the good times and the lessons learned.
Let's keep in touch and maybe meet for coffee to talk more about our experiences in the future.
That would be great, Emily. I look forward to hearing more about your travels and sharing more of mine.
Thank you, Daniel. I wish you all the best in your studies and future adventures.
And I wish you success, Emily. Have a wonderful day and keep learning.
You too, Daniel. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.